Welcome to the world of Telegram, the messaging app with an endless array of features and bots to make your life easier. Today we're going to take a look at some of the most helpful Telegram bots. Let's dive in. First up, we have Remind Me bot. Do you ever forget important dates or appointments? With this bot, you can easily set reminders for yourself so you will never miss a beat. And the best part, it's all automated. Just send a message to the bot with the date and time, and it will remind you when the time comes. Next we have IFTTT bot. We use multiple apps and services that don't communicate with each other. With this bot, you can connect different apps to create automated workflows. From saving your Instagram photos to Dropbox to sending a message to your team when you receive an email from a specific sender, the possibilities are endless. Now let's talk about Giphy bot. Who doesn't love a good GIF? Whether you're feeling sad, happy, or just want to express your love for pizza, there's a GIF out there for every occasion. If you're looking for a fun distraction, check out GameBot. This bot has a variety of mini games you can play right within Telegram. Whether you are in puzzles, arcade games, or trivia, there's something for everyone. And the best part is you don't have to leave the chat to play. Finally, we have Translator bot. If you need to communicate with people who speak different languages, this bot is a lifesaver. It can translate messages into over 100 languages, making it easy to connect with people from all around the world. And that's you have it, folks, some of the most useful Telegram bots that will make your life easier and more fun. With these bots, we wonder how you ever lived without them. So go ahead, try them out and let us know which one is your favorite. Thanks for watching.